Hey there everyone, this morning we are on the Emerald Princess. We're on deck 8 and we're going to show you where all the passenger cabins are in relationship to the stairs and elevators. We are right here in the rear of the ship and we are going to go to the right. Now, actually, the right. Now we can't go all the way around, so we are going to walk all the way to the back and start there. Now, if you've never seen one of these videos of ours before, I can't turn the camera for you to see every door number. If I did, you get seasick. So I'm going to use my finger, point out the rooms, as well as call out the numbers. All right, so we're just about all the way here to the back, and we'll get ready to start. Now, as you can see, that is an emergency exit, so we can't get out there. So we've got E733, 735. All right, and here we go. That is 31729, crew door. 2725, 2321. That is 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7. This is right where we started, at the rear elevators and stairs. 5, 3, again, 703, 701, 633, crew door. 631, 629, 27, 25, crew door, 23, 21, crew door, 19, 17, crew door, 15, 11, 9, 7, 605, 603, crew door. This should be 601, and we jump to 521, 19, 517, 515, 511, 509, 507, crew door, 505, 503, exit. This is an entry point to the midship elevators and stairs. That's one of them. 501, 425. This is the main entrance to elevators and stairs. Good morning. 523, sorry, 423. Again, 423, 421, 419, 417. And again, the big entrance to the midship elevators and stairs. 415, 411, 409, 407, 405, 403, crew door. 401, 327. The numbers tend to jump here. 325, 323, 321, 319, 317, 315, crew door. 311, 309, crew door. 307, crew door. 305, 303, 301, in your forward elevators and stairs. Here is another entrance to those elevators and stairs here in the front of the ship. 231, 229, crew door. 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, crew door. 215, 211, 209, 207, 205, 203, 201, 121. Again, jumping numbers. crew door. 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5, 103, 101, and emergency exit. Let's just make sure. Strong winds on open decks. Take special care, so we are not going to open that. This is fully a crew area. They have some of their team stuff there for their crew. But this means we have to walk back to the stairs to cross over. We'll see you on the other side. All right, we've made it to the other side. As you can see, emergency exit there. It does say passenger area. Emergency exit, do not obstruct. It says, caution, we'll show you this on a day when we're not moving because it's going to be very windy out there. But it does say passenger area. So we're going to come back here when we're not moving so we can show you what that is. Okay? E102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 14, 16, 18, crew door, 20, 202, 204, 206, 208, 210, 212, 214, 216, 218, 220, 222, 224, 226, 228, 230, crew door. This is where we crossed over. You can get to the forward elevators and stairs that way, or you can get right here, which we'll show you in a second. 302, 304. Again, your forward elevators and stairs. 306, 308, crew door. 310, 312, 314, 316, 318, 320, 22, 24, 26, 328, 330, 402, right? Big jump in numbers. 404, 406, 408, 410, 412, 414. Main entrance to midship elevators and stairs. 416, 418, 420, 422. Secondary entrance to midship elevators and stairs. 424, 502, crew door. 504, 506, 508, 510. Little ramp there. 512, 514, 516, 518, 520, 602, little ramp here, 604, 606, 608, 610, 612, 614, 618, 616, 618. I was focusing here on the laundromat. So here's another laundromat. This one is open. Oh, but this one's locked. So the passenger laundry is back there. This front door was open. We will show you they tricked us. We'll show you the laundry on another day, sorry. 620, 622, crew door. Crew door, 24, 26, 628, 630, crew door, 632, 702. Again, jumping big numbers. 704, 706, rear elevators and stairs. 708, 710, 712, ramp. 714, 716, 718, crew door. 720, 722, 724, 726, 728, 730, 734, and 732. Again, this does not appear to be an exit, so we are not going to open that door. I've already set off enough alarms on this ship. Well, there you go. We have gone, well, I call it 360. Obviously, we couldn't cross over in the front. We couldn't cross over on the back. But we've shown you all the cabins in relationships to stairs and elevators. So let us know in the comments below if you saw your door and when you're sailing on the Emerald Princess. Until we see you again on the next deck or the next ship, be safe.